Next, I would like to introduce Mr. Dalson Chung. He is the president of IES to deliver his welcome address. Mr. Chung.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests. I think before I became president, when I think most of you will be able to Google where my daytime job is in the National Environment Agency. I'm the lead for the Environmental Services Industry Transformation Map. And you know, as the word says, transformation is to transform the environmental services industry, which means I need to transform the waste management industry, which you see today, people collecting waste manually, and also the cleaning operation, and also the pest management. So all these three subsectors are very human resource intensive, right? So, but the problem is we don't have local talents to join the industry. Yeah, so no talent is going to join the industry and start collecting waste, start cleaning the supermarket, start cleaning the shopping centers, catching mosquitoes and things like that. No talent. Yeah, we recognize the fact. So in my transformation map, actually I want to transform the industry to be more technology centric and less manpower reliant. When I know about IES-TDC-INCA, I was very excited because I want startups to look at all these challenges in all these three subsectors to help me to actually transform the industry sector. Now that I hand over the transformation map to somebody else, my colleague to lead, but I am still quite attentive to what they are doing over there, and hopefully that they have some collaboration with IES-INCA to work out some of the, and he is fully aware I've been introducing some of the companies to him. And I think ESG has also started something similar to that for the waste management industry sectors. I think there is a lot of future for the startups to look into all these subsectors so that our younger generation can join the industry sectors, and those people can actually explore the ideas and make the ideas become reality. Well, good morning once again. It is a pleasure for me to join all of you today at the Technopreneur Dialogue 2023. I'm encouraged to see so many engineering, technology, and business leaders coming together this morning for this event, and it shows the presence of a vibrant technopreneurship ecosystem in Singapore. Just now at the coffee break, I was mentioning to someone that this area is very apt. It's the Silicon Valley of Singapore. Hopefully that it really becomes a Silicon Valley, internationally well-known Silicon Valley in Singapore. Technopreneurship is crucial to Singapore's future growth, as our world is increasingly driven by knowledge-based innovations. Technology entrepreneurs are the ones who can use technology to create and improve products and services, as well as manufacturing processes. In doing so, they create jobs, which is uppermost among our political leaders, stimulates market growth and sharpens economic competitiveness. And more importantly, technopreneurs are needed to create solutions to help Singapore in its sustainability journey. I believe all of you is aware that the Singapore Green Plan 2030 and a lot of the political leaders have already mentioned that we need a lot of engineering solutions to bring Singapore in the next lap towards a more sustainable future. Singapore has no lack of outstanding technopreneurs. Notable examples including the late Mr. Wong Hu, CEO of Creative Technology, and Mr. Zhang Liang, founder and CEO of Avetics Global. It is interesting to note that Mr. Zhang focused at Avetics while doing his engineering degree. Today, Avetics has grown into a full spectrum engineering and services company in the drone space. Not only have both these entrepreneurs successfully built homegrown companies and turned them into leading global brands, they never stop pushing for new innovations and frontiers. To spur more of such success stories, Singapore needs to build a strong culture of technopreneurship and innovation. We need to help technically trained or engineering trained professionals to go beyond designing solutions to commercialization and scaling up their innovations. The key word here is commercialization. No point just doing some technology and cannot be commercialized, because that is the applications that we are looking out for to bring the innovations to market. As a National Society of Engineers in Singapore, the Institution of Engineers Singapore, or IES, has been promoting technopreneurship amongst our engineers. It works alongside other key strategic focus areas, including training and skills upgrading, and professional accreditation and recognition through our chartership certification. With all these initiatives, IES is able to provide holistic support to engineers so that they can grow in their roles and contribute to our economy and society. Technopreneurship has also been identified as one of the key enablers of the IES Green Plan 2030, in recognition of the ingenuity inherent in the discipline to facilitate Singapore's transformation into a sustainable, climate-resilient nation-state. For those of you who want to see the IES Green Plan, it is on our IES website. You can download it through the QR code. And IES walk the talk, and we are not printing any hard copies for the IES Green Plan. So apologize for it. I hope all of you will support IES going into this sustainability journey by not printing out hard copies and just doing QR. QR code is also good because you can actually download from the QR code and store in your iPhone or iPad, and you can read anytime you want to read. IES set up IES-INCA as a strategic initiative to accelerate and incubate new technology business ventures of entrepreneurial engineers. Today, I would like to highlight a few incubators who have benefited from IES-INCA's guidance. Connect2ME Technology, or C2ME, is a patented hardware-cum-software technology company that has created breakthrough technologies for machine-to-machine and human-to-machine communication. C2ME is a powerful Bluetooth-based wireless control technology designed specifically for control specifications. When Andy quoted me this example, actually immediately I was thinking of my environmental services industry transformation map, where I give the industry a challenge. I believe that all of you will see a lot of robots running around doing the cleaning of the shopping centers or even the Changi Airport. But those are actually, it's a pre-described road that the robots are moving. I was giving the industry a challenge. Can the robot talk to one another as though they are human beings? In fact, the robots is to sort of replace a human being in doing some mundane work so that the workforce can be deployed to do higher value job. They have enough job. Don't be like the tray return where you return the tray and the cleaners cannot cleaner has no job to do. Their cleaners have a lot of job to do. You just try yourself as one day as a cleaner, you see how much job actually the cleaners are doing. So we are just doing something good for the cleaners to lighten their work so that they can focus their attention to some other more higher value job. Well, C2ME is a powerful Bluetooth-based wireless control technology designed specifically for control application. It offers unique features like radio silent mode, real-time synchronized local control, and unlimited local node support. C2ME is ideal for real-time control and data collection in commercial and industrial settings. The technology has been adopted in several applications areas such as energy saving, farming control, and access control. Technocorp is a virtual reality company that has developed smart integrated solutions to resolve critical industrial showstoppers and pain points. Technocorp is revolutionizing the architecture, engineering, and construction industry with the powerful combination of generative design and virtual reality. This allows for the rapid exploration and optimization of designs based on performance criteria and the ability to visualize and interact with designs in a realistic way. With Technocorp's innovations, architects and engineers can create energy-efficient and sustainable building options, optimize structural systems, and test their performance under different conditions. Overall, this approach leads to more efficient and effective design processes and better decision-making. With IES-INCA support, both business ventures are able to accelerate their products to market and gear up for greater success in commercialization. Through events such as today's dialogue, IES-INCA hopes to provide a platform to bring like-minded people together to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and forge new collaborations. I'd like to thank Mr. Peng, Chairman of the IES Technopreneurship Development Committee, for his leadership and his team for their hard work in putting this event together. My appreciation also goes out to today's speakers for sharing their insights and knowledge with us, although they have a very, very busy schedule. Technology startups do not develop into successful enterprises on their own. Let us continue to work together to catalyze their growth so that they can create a better future for all of us. Thank you very much.